Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Dogecoin especially is exchanging at 6 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.9% and for the most part most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Doge in a real sense has a kind of all-out market cap of $9,486,936,503 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $446,064,167 in an unobtrusive manner. This for the most part makes Dogecoin genuinely positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin truly be especially worth in 2023? Or so they in every practical sense thought. Is Dogecoin a fundamentally wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Doge cost for the most part outperform its unequaled certainly high in a by and large significant manner? These most certainly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Doge cost truly is supposed to cross a very normal value level of 9 cents. The normal really least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to all things considered be 9 cents and in every way that really matters, large way. Besides Doge can in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest value level of 10 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin value figure June 2023. The Dogecoin cost for June 2023 may for the most part arrive at a sort of least worth of 6 cents while the kind of greatest Doge cost basically is around 7 cents, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The typical cost for Doge generally is generally anticipated to really reach 7 cents in June 2023 in a sort of enormous way. Doge value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly is determined to explicitly be at around a base worth of 7 cents, showing how these essentially are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which sort of is very huge. The Dogecoin value worth can really arrive at a limit of 8 cents with the especially normal exchanging worth of 7 cents in USD, showing how this explicitly makes Dogecoin truly positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to be at around a truly least of 7 cents, or so they essentially thought. Dogecoin cost can sort of arrive at a limit of 8 cents with the essentially normal cost of 8 cents in USD, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Dogecoin could generally stretch around 9 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in September 2023 certainly is 8 cents with a sort of typical cost of 8 cents, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin value estimate October 2023. The Dogecoin cost for October 2023 may basically arrive at a genuinely least worth of 8 cents while the fundamentally greatest Doge cost essentially is around 9 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The exceptionally normal cost for Doge generally is generally anticipated to sort of reach 8 cents in October 2023, which for the most part shows that these are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value figure November 2023. The truly normal cost of Dogecoin could go to 9 cents toward the finish of November 2023 in an especially large manner. Doge could in a real sense exchange around a kind of most extreme worth of 9 cents with the kind of least expected cost of 8 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Doge value gauge December 2023. The Dogecoin conjecture for December 2023 expects that the Doge may in a real sense arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of 10 cents with an exceptionally least cost of around 9 cents, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the kind of typical value Doge can sort of stretch around 9 cents for December, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 1.87% as of now. So discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Doge can sort of stretch around 9 cents for December, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin by and large is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins in a very significant manner. The Doge especially is down to nearly 4.95% in the by and large most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense, past especially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have serious areas of strength for essentially in any case. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in by and large transient in an especially significant manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge for the most part diminished by 28.462%, taking out an astounding normal amount of 2 cents from its ongoing worth in a quite enormous manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a sort of good generally purchase an open door for fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 21.36%, and the cost fundamentally circled from an exceptionally least lovely typical cost of 8 cents to sort of greatest really normal cost of 8 cents and essentially beyond 90 days, which sort of shows that besides Doge can arrive at a truly greatest value level of 10 cents in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin sort of is somewhere near 4.97% with the essentially greatest by and large normal cost of the coin sort of was around 7 cents and the truly least especially normal cost of generally was around 7 cents in lovely beyond 4 months, which in every practical sense shows that this unexpected down truly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every way that really matters be a decent sort of purchase an open door for especially fast speculation, which sort of is very critical. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will generally be Dogecoin certainly worth in 2023, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? The Doge cost most certainly is determined to fundamentally arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 10 cents within every way that really matters, least cost of 9 cents toward the finish of 2023 in a very large manner. Does Dogecoin generally have a future, which by and large is genuinely critical? As far as value, Dogecoin in a real sense has a remarkable genuinely potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, showing that the Doge truly is down to nearly 4.95% in the truly most recent 7 days, really in spite of prevalent thinking. It in a real sense is figured that Doge will increment in esteem in a kind of significant way, as per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts. Dogecoin can fundamentally raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of $2.99 till 2030, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Is Dogecoin fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical? Dogecoin's worth truly is supposed to really keep on extending, as lack will in general explicitly empower cost rise. Sort of additional appearance how inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge by and large diminished by 28.462%, killing an astounding kind of normal amount of 2 cents from its sort of current worth, or so they especially thought. Kindly note, there explicitly is a gamble to any venture, exhibiting how Dogecoin exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost sort of has shown a by and large great increment of 1.87% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours. So discussing the typical value Doge can basically stretch around 9 cents for December in a sort of enormous manner. Just especially put resources into what you can truly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the for the most part greatest exploration certainly conceivable in a kind of significant manner.